Kasi yung iba, grabe magbenta nito, OA. You know, I was craving for this, so I inquired sa isang shop. She was like, 2.8 po. I was like,
per
box or 1 bar?
One bar?
Crazy.
Baliw.
Grabe. But this one was, normal price.
Kung sino man yan, baliw.
I got my Dubai chocolate from here. Shop with A and D. I got my Dubai chocolate from them. ASMR. Okay. So here, muntik na kami mag-away dahil dito.
Tayo?
Oo.
Ah.
Muntik na kami mag-away dahil sa Dubai chocolate.
Because kasi guys, hindi ko siya kinakagat ng maayos.
Kasi kita niya pinuputol ko siya ng maganda per square. Sabi ba naman niya, needs to be eaten nicely, neatly, with a square, a perfect square.
Yan yung gusto niya. Yan yung susundan natin.
So here's your chocolate, here's your square.
Ano yung gusto mas?
Then we're gonna crack it again, a beautiful square. And if it's not a beautiful square, we will not eat it. Oh, it's not a beautiful.
Let's get a knife na lang kaya. Para
yeah, I need a knife. No, it's not demure. I don't know why, but I don't know why. I don't like it when you just don't make it a square. Because, I mean, it has, what do you call that?
Teach me, tell me where knives are.
Oh, I'll go get it. You can sit here. Bite it nicely.
But I can finish this one hole in one bite.
Kill you.
Yeah, she's OC, which I respect. We respect our OC because.
Am I?
Yeah, kinda.
I'm not diagnosed with OCD.
No, but I mean, like, it's not a diagnosis. It's like a trait of yours. But it's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with being OC.
You must make it nice square. There, nice square.
Just eat that part that didn't get squared.
There. Nice square. Walang labis, walang kulang. Okay, let's eat.
Yeah.
A toast.
A toast.
Oh, okay, we're doing that. Yeah. Okay. One bite. Jesus.
Hindi ba dapat?
No naman, nagulat lang ako. Kanina kumain kami sa labas. Kakadating lang nung pagkain. And it was pho, so it was hot.
Mas malaki pa.
It was large. I took a bite, and I looked over. Ubus na. Ubus na. And I'm not even kidding you. I have a video to prove that. That was crazy. I was like,
Post mo sa TikTok.
are all boys like that? Like, damn.
That was so good. This is really good.
Okay, you can get another one, but cut it nice.
Okay.
And you can get all the excess.
Yahoo!
I can barely finish one square.
Guys, kung ako lang to, kung wala si Alexa, kakagatin ko to buo.
Ugh. Why? Murder. I have weird habits like that. Like, when I eat yogurt, I have to lick the spoon 3 times. Or else, I didn't eat it properly. Is that OC? Honest reviews of Dubai chocolates? Oh, I love it. I love it. You like it? I think you do because you're going to town. Q&A, okay. Ask a question or something. Pahingi ear. I didn't like this at first aesthetically because it looks like baby poo.
Why do you say
In
that?
my
Don't
opinion.
say that. okay.
But now I love it.
People might be eating kasi.
We're eating.
That's true.
Try nyo yung ibang flavor.
There are
mo.
other flavors.
Yeah, a whole lot. But it's so expensive.
Magbigay ng mga halimbawa.
I don't remember them.
Okay.
But it's so expensive that I'm not gonna risk buying something I might not like. So I just buy the same flavor again and again and again. Can I
Kagating mo
borrow
buo.
KD for a second? Like, can you move aside? Sure.
No, she's getting me. I don't
Sure.
like.
No, just let, come on, just one.
She's getting me. She's
I'm sorry, he does not want to be borrowed.
kidding.
Like Biscoff. Oh, I love Biscoff. Like, love. I love Biscoff with yogurt.
Oh, I love Biscoff too.
I just don't like that it melts so quickly.
I love that it melts so quickly. It's so easy to eat. Yahoo! Thank you.
Ang sakit sa singaw ng chocolate. Oh.
Hinay-hinay lang.
Flex the bicep. Yeah, come on. Flex it. Show me, show me.
No.
No, flex it,
No.
come on.
No.
Guys, damot ni KD, no?
No.
Damot, no?
Oh, dito pa si Mama Poison.
Poison, I miss you. I miss you, Poison. Mami, contour. Lumiit na yung mukha ko. Hindi na masyado kailangan ng madaming contour.
Kahit naman dati, hindi naman mo.
Hindi, dati kailangan talaga.
Hindi.
Dati kailangan putik nga ilagay eh.
Grabe naman.
I love the knafe.
Yan, tingnan mo. Kailangan ng vitamin C. Vitamin C. That's why you should have finished your lemonade.
But I needed to pee so bad. And I didn't want to go to the bathroom. If I finished that, I don't like that. I'm full.
Yay!
If I finished that lemonade, I would have had to go to the bathroom right away.
Okay.
Those are our dilemmas in life. I don't like going to the bathroom.
I always tell her to drink more water. She doesn't
don't
drink
like.
water. She doesn't like.
Only if I'm at home. But if I'm outside, I don't like to pee outside.
Oh, what's your favorite trait of each other? Each other's favorite trait. Like my favorite trait of you, your favorite trait of me.
What's yours of me?
I like that.
I like to move it.
No, I love
You can eat
that.
some more if you like.
Really?
Yes, you can
I
have
can
the
eat
whole
more?
thing.
I can have the whole
As long as you
thing?
eat it nicely.
Wait, if I'm gonna have the whole thing, I don't
Just
need to
don't
eat.
like to see you bite.
Okay.
The chocolate
I respect what
It's
you
like
want.
you're murdering the chocolate bar.
Okay.
It deserves to be eaten with etiquette.
Look
You're
at
seriously
this.
gonna finish that though?
I'm gonna.
No, I'm not judging you. I'm just asking.
Oh,
asking.
okay. I thought you were judging
No,
me.
I'm not. I mean, go ahead. Okay, beautifully.
I can just eat it.
Yeah, you can eat like that.
Yeah, let's go.
I have a growing boy. There's a growing boy. What's your favorite trait of me? That I give you food?
No, I love how
You're like a baby.
adventurous you are with food.
Oh, I said with life because that's not me.
No, I mean with food. Because I have someone to try new foods with.
Yeah, but they might think I'm so adventurous. Not that adventurous. Like I don't eat exotic food, but I'm gonna brag a little bit, okay? I'm very proud to say that before KD met me, all he would eat panay pizza, just you know how picky eater eats, that they go to the same comfort food. And there's nothing bad about that, but it's just that I feel like he's missing out on so much more. With the appetite that he has, I feel like he could do so much better. So he only eats pizza, only eats
Short and ulams.
fast food.
No naman.
No, like when you're out of the country, you don't explore, you just eat fast food.
Oh yeah. No, but like I don't want them to think that I'm like a toddler. No naman. Like my food choices are not toddler naman. I eat foods that are quite normal.
Okay. But since I came into his life, tell them. Tell them.
Amazing.
Yes.
Life-changing.
Yes. He's
Goodbye,
now
chocolate.
a cultured foodie. He's now a cultured foodie, and he tries all the new things that I want him to try.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I love that because sabi ko nga sa kanya, I hate it. I hate it when he doesn't eat. Like, it's so sad. Kapag yung kasama ko hindi kumakain, I can't. So I tell him, if you're gonna be on a diet all the time, I don't want to eat with you. I don't want to be with you if you're always with me. But sometimes, sobra naman ang kain niya. Nakakagulat din.
I stopped dieting because it made me look a bit.
Why? You never look
No, there was a time after PBB, like I got a bit like I didn't have this yet.
Kasi you didn't work out pa.
Yeah, I wasn't working out, so kailangan pala I have to eat and work out. So,
My blush on, it's just this also. It's a lip and cheek. It's a lip and cheek tint. So, yeah. What's my favorite trait of yours? Too many to mention. I like that he is always pro lady first. How do I explain that? Like,
feminist.
yeah, you're a feminist, but kampe siya. I think kampe siya sa akin. I think, ano ba? I like that in his eyes, I am perfect. Ha ha ha. I can do no wrong. Just kidding. No, I like a lot of things. I like that he's not insecure. That's the number one. That's the best thing.
Anymore. I used to be really insecure. Now
You're insecure.
don't know what for.
Really? So what changed that? How did you become not insecure?
Wala, you have to accept that there are things that you can't control in life. Like, there are things that you can't control with your... No, don't. There might be chocolate in my mouth.
Easy. A little, just a little. Actually, we both need to wash our hands. You go wash your hands.
Yeah.
And then I'll go next. What I like about him is that he's not controlling at all. Because I will not be controlled. But I am. You know? So he's not like that at all. I tell him, especially nowadays, kasi we have a new resolution, pero may gusto kaming gawin sa mga buhay namin ngayon. Especially me. So we've been introverts for the longest time. We've been in our own bubble for the longest time. No? We're so happy just being in each other's company or alone actually, individually. We thrive on our own as introverts do, you know? But we don't like going out. We just like kapag may event, kami yung unang uuwi. Kami yung hindi makikijoin masyado because again, introverts who just love to stay at home. But I don't know, parang sabi ko recently, why are we like this? Like, why don't we put ourselves out there some more? Especially me, because I'm 25. So I said, I don't want to have regrets later in life na I didn't go out. I didn't enjoy my youth. I didn't explore. I didn't put myself out there, you know. So yeah, so that's what we're doing now. Parang, yan, pag may nag-aya sa amin, sama na kami. We've been going out more with, not just the two of us, with our friends then. Recently, nag-cast party yung Liwanag sa Dilim, and I partied. Like, I danced the night away.
That's the night away!
Yeah, I was so happy. I really enjoyed it. I was like, oh my God, maybe I was missing out on this. I mean, I don't feel like I'm missing out when I'm with you, but like, as we grow up, as we grow older, diba, you want to have experienced those things. Yung mga things na mas madalang mo nang gagawin kapag tanda mo na talaga.
Yeah.
So, ang saya-saya ko. Nag-party-party talaga ako. As in, dance-dance kami. All of that. Tapos, siya din. He goes out with his friends. Ganyan. I don't know what you do.
We just
You do your boy things.
yeah, we just play video games.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just play video games. That's all we do.
They want to see you. They're getting mad na they think I'm getting all the camera.
It's your account. So
No. You stay beside me. How about the ABS-CBN mo? What time did we get home? Oh, that was the latest we've ever done. We got home before 12.
Before 12 is already the latest.
Yeah, kasi dati 8 p.m. umaakit na kami.
Yeah, that's
After kain namin, we go up na yan. After kapag when the program is done, we go home na. Pero last ball, nag-dance din ako talaga. Dance the night away. Something I noticed about me when it comes to parties, I like the dance. I like to dance. I like to boogie. Boogie. I like that.
I just like the food.
Yes. And he just likes to watch me dance.
Yeah, I just like the food.
What else? Chocolate.
Oh yeah, you wash your hands now.
But I'm lazy.
I'll wash your hands for you.
Hmm?
Yeah, just give me your hand. Just yeah. The true boy. Thank
But you
guys.
have to be careful. I know naman.
Yeah, guys, don't worry.
Kasama mo ba si KD sa party? No, it was a
Yeah,
liwanag
it
sa
was
dilim
them
cast
only.
party.
It was them only. I was just at home.
How do you reassure each other pa nagsiselos? Parang hindi pa naman ako nagsiselos. May selos ka ba?
Before, but not anymore. Like it's immature not to do that. I realize. Because if you it's rooted in insecurity then. And if you take out the insecurity, there's no more wala nang jealousy.
And, I mean, we don't give each other good reason to be jealous.
Yeah, that's quite. Because if you think about it, you shouldn't give the person any reason to be jealous in the first place. Like, pero at the same time, it's also your responsibility to know your place. Something like
Stay
that.
in your lane or something. Ugali na ayaw niyo sa isa't isa.
That I want to eat it.
That he ruins my chocolate. I don't know.
Because if you're gonna make me finish it, you might as well just finish it with dirty, like just dirty. Just go on it, you
I
know.
know, it's just painful, you know.
Oh, you don't like that I like yogurt.
No, I don't like that you look down upon the yogurt that I like.
I don't look down on the yogurt.
Yes,
that
you
I
do.
like.
You only like specific yogurt and you think it's superior above all yogurts.
I'm just trying to get you on it.
I tried and it wasn't good.
Maybe just give it more chances.
It's too expensive to keep giving it chances.
That's true. I don't know why I keep giving that yogurt chances too, but it's really good for me. How tall are you? You wanna do a height thing?
I'm small, period. I'm 5'2". What are you?
Oh, I'm 5.
What are you?
I did sandwich.
Yeah, that's why I find it so weird sometimes na there are people who parang get jealous for us.
Yeah, it's okay, guys.
And then start trying to control us.
Yeah.
Don't do this.
Yeah, it's
don't
okay, guys.
hang out with this. We're jealous of this. Parang,
Yeah, it's like I said this before. Like, only me and Alexa know our boundaries and stuff. You guys, you don't see how close we actually are, and like how
Like
we're like
this
super
close.
close. We're super close. We're super close, and people just don't see how strong we actually are. You know.
yeah, like I
So-
understand when people, somehow I understand, although it is annoying,
Yeah.
when people are like, Alexa, stop acting this way. You're hurting KD.
Like,
girl.
how do you, the thing is, how do you know that? That's
Exactly.
They don't know that.
Exactly.
For all they know, like for me,
And
it's
sometimes
okay.
they get mad at me,
Yeah.
and I'm like, girl, Katie's not even mad. What are you talking about?
Some get mad at me too. Like they get mad at me then. Like it's so guys.
We laugh about it.
Yeah,
Honestly,
we just
the
laugh
both of
about
us,
it.
we laugh about it because it's like they don't know anything. They think they know. Although I know naman na maybe it comes from a good place. I don't know. Some of them are just really mean, but some come from a good place, or maybe that some of them are projecting in a way. It's been done to them, so they're a little bit praning in a way.
Yeah.
So
Wait,
yeah.
someone asked advice for a healthy relationship.
I don't know.
I think I think for me, like it's better to don't try to win over the other person, because at the end of the day,
Because he never wins against me.
yeah. No, just kidding. No, just kidding.
Because
Don't.
I am
no,
always right.
This is deeper. No, it's deeper than that. No, it's deeper than that. Like, never try to win against the person, against your other person. Kasi ang nangyayari dyan, yeah, panalo ka sa away nyo, pero talo naman kayo sa relationship nyo, di ba? So like, always choose what's best for the relationship instead of always choosing what's best for your pride. Kasi pride talaga makakasira ng relationship. It's pride.
They hate you because they ain't you. I don't know.
Do you have
maybe.
anything to give the person that girls always right?
Yes,
Yeah.
girls are always right.
always
You
right.
got it. You got that. Because why will he win? I'm literally the winner. I mean, hello. No, I'm just kidding. I think that works for any partnership din naman, even sa friends.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, in general, I mean, she's asking them for healthy relationships, so they didn't really specify what kind. It could work with your, it could work with your friends. It could work with
It can
your,
even work with your parents, honestly.
yeah, it works with your parents too. The chocolate was good. Thank
And
you
it's
for
so.
the chocolate.
You're welcome. You want to bring one home?
No, it's okay. It's yours.
I think you did.
No, I don't.
I
I
think
don't.
you
I don't.
did.
I don't want to bring one.
You're lying to me again.
I'm not lying to you again.
You're lying to me. That's your second lie today.
So the first, for context guys, yung first lie today, sabi ko mag-order ako ng small bowl.
Lie! Straight up lie!
And then nag-large ako.
We both know. We all know that he can for sure finish a large bowl. And I was right. And as a matter of fact, he ordered something else additional.
Nag-additional sandwich ako.
See? I just know you. That's a lie.
So, yeah, when it comes to food, nagsisinungaling talaga ako minsan.
He says, no, I'm full.
Like, no, busog. Okay lang, busog na ako. Then, like,
Liar.
mag-order pa ako ng isa pang something. Oh, this is an interesting question. Dapat hindi ka mag-girl best friend or boy best friend yung...
Well,
Interesting question.
it comes to boundaries again for me.
Yeah, it's boundaries.
Honestly.
Are you
Sorry,
okay?
yeah.
Are you okay?
It's all about boundaries din talaga.
Yeah, boundary.
Well, I don't really have a boy best friend.
I don't have a girl best friend.
Yeah.
You are my girl best friend.
Honestly, you're my best friend. But I don't know. We'll know when we cross the bridge. But right now, sa boundaries din talaga. Like, I hang around with guys. I have Darren. Let's say Darren.
Yeah.
We're really, really close.
Yeah.
Almost besties na nga talaga eh.
Yeah.
And, well, are you jealous? Do you get jealous?
No.
So, I don't know. I guess,
Yeah, depends on the boundaries then. Like, if you guys are Pero, kunwari, like,
yung unang-inuna na yung best friend,
Oo, ganyan.
bago ikaw, baka iba na din yun.
No, please.
Show yourself, come on. We don't want to talk to your braso lang, come on.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, I think it's okay naman. Basta may boundaries talaga. It's up to you guys to clear and set those boundaries.
Oh, they're asking, what's this?
It's a scar.
Yeah.
Kinagat siya ng vampire.
Vampire, right? Hindi.
Injection yung baby.
Injection. When I was 2 years old, I was getting vaccinated. Tapos, nagkamali yung doctor. So, yung syringe or yung injection, nag-slash. It slashed my skin.
Agoy.
So, shoutout sa doctor na yan.
Next destination sa travel niyo. Wala muna, pahinga muna.
Pero I really want, yeah, I know, but I want us to go to Vietnam.
Oh, that's nice. Ate Am just went there.
Yeah. Because I kept seeing people, yeah.
Nag-crave ka lang sa pho. Why kaya ka nag-Vietnam bigla?
No, legit. Because it's healthy. The food's healthy there.
I'm sure. And the clothes are so nice.
Clothes are nice. Please give advice sa mga lalaki na ewan yung cheaters. Yung cheaters.
Wala siyang ma-advise doon. Masabi lang, what advice do you give cheaters?
Yeah, you can't really give advice. No naman. I mean, like, well, in a way, kasi hindi mo rin may iwasan yung nararamdaman ng girl. Kasi you did something that broke the boundaries of your relationship, so you can't really blame her for getting mad. You can't blame her for getting mad for something that you broke, which is your trust, which is the only currency that a relationship asks
Currency?
for. No, it's true. The only currency a relationship needs is trust. I mean, yeah, money of course, syempre kailangan nyo din mabuhay. But trust is
papakain mo sa kanya trust.
Babe, wala na tayong makain. Ito, babe.
Babe, I trust you.
Tiwala ko. Babe, hindi ka ba nagtitiwala sa akin?
Babe, ina-acid na yung chan ko.
Hindi, no. Like in currency, meaning like emotional currency. Just trust.
Is Katie kind of guy who will directly message someone who get touchy with you, Alexa?
No naman. I mean, if it's too much, yeah.
I think it's different. Kapag touchy, yung usapan ng selos, dadaan muna yan sa amin. Hindi siya diretso sa lalaki. Pero kung usapan na may lalaking nang haharas lang sa akin, nang aaway, or bastos lang in a way na ganon, I think ganon siya.
Better call your lawyers. Just kidding.
When will you watch Final Destination? I won't.
Ayoko. I don't wanna watch.
Nakakapraning na mabuhay. Sobra.
Sorry guys, Makati yung noo ko. So
Bakit Makati? May kinain ka ba?
No, wala naman.
May shrimp ata yung chocolate sarap.
In Final Destiny. Ayoko, I don't wanna watch Final Destination.
Napapraning kasi kami. Super.
Makikita mo lang yung ceiling electric fan nyo, parang natatakot ka na kapag napanood mo yung Final Destination. Kasi yan yung mga paraan kung paano namatay yung mga bida.
Okay, last one. I've seen that's how your face should look. Don't hide yourself. What?
Me? Is that me? Use English, please. Oh, okay.
No, you can't. Kasi halo ang viewers natin. Taglish lang.
That's true.
I think, guys, tama na to. 11 na eh.
I think it's enough, guys. It's already 11.
Ha? Translate.
Translate.
Minikani ko ni Monica. Ang makina ni Minika ni Monica.
Wait, what?
Period.
Isa ba?
Never
Minikani
mind.
ko ni Monica Mechanized.
Kung magka-jowa kayo, hindi ba magiging issue sa inyo yung pina-follow at nila-like?
Oh, yeah, it's the time.
You follow girls?
You follow boys. You follow boys. Like, so, I mean, I'm not messaging any of them.
I mean,
you're not messaging any of them either. So, like, what's the issue? I mean, like...
I know, I think we're weird.
Why? Why are we weird?
Because it's a big issue for most people.
Yeah.
Those things.
No, how... Okay.
So maybe that's why they don't understand us. That's why they always like to judge us.
Okay.
Na,
Hindi, ito. What is the norm? What is the norm if sa atin okay lang? You know what I mean? Like,
no,
if to them is weird, if it's weird to them, why does it matter if it's not weird to the both of us? Since
exactly.
Yung boundary,
it doesn't matter to us.
Yung boundary is just you and
that's
me.
why I think
diba?
some of the people get GG to us.
Yeah.
Because us, we don't really care at all about those small things.
It's nothing. Kasi maliit Kasi sa amin, sobrang liit na bagay. In me and Alexis' boundary and limit and relationship, it's nothing.
Sobrang lawak ng mag-isip. Siguro. Malawak ang pangunawa kasi. Tsaka, ewan ko. Kasi the girls might... I always tease him, but just like a tease. Wait na, hey, sige nga, you like that picture. Sometimes I tease him like that pa.
I mean, like, if it's a good friend of mine, there's nothing wrong.
Like, if you like a girl's picture, I know you don't like her.
Yeah,
I know you don't like her like that.
Kasi people will just, like, kunwari, it's like a picture na,
if it's a picture of her ass, then that's a different question.
No,
then that's gonna be like,
iba naman yun.
Hey, why did you like
iba
that?
Iba naman yun, oo. Iba yun. No, but we're not saying na showing
I remember one time I liked a picture like that using your account.
Yeah. Tapos sabi ko, uy, that's my account. Don't like the
may
picture.
ugali kasi akong niloko ko siya. Mag-like ako ng picture ng babae. Ako nag-like sa account niya. Tapos makakalimutan ko. Sabihin ko, uy, nilike mo ah.
Sabi ko, hindi, ikaw yun. Ginamit mo cellphone ko.
Kasi wala, nakakalimutan ko lang din. Pero hindi naman ako nagagalit. Ganun lang, uy, nilike mo ah. Uy oh.
Yeah, kasi like, if you have friends naman talaga na opposite gender, and then you're like genuinely friends with them, there's nothing more to that. There's no problem.
Ay, naaalala ko to. Sabi niya, nakita ko po kayo sa Uniqlo, SM Aura. Imbis na good evening, greet ko good afternoon. Naalala ko yun!
Okay lang.
Naalala ko yun.
Hindi, you can't.
It's okay.
It's
Nataranta
okay,
siya.
yeah.
Okay.
No, like, and then, kasi nasa loob ka din ng mall. Like, you work in retail, you're inside the whole day. Hindi mo rin mapapansin yung oras kasi minsan
tama na to, no oras na. Okay guys, bye-bye. Take care. See you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys.